cyfle i gefnogi'r goeden hon fan hyn, sydd wrth ei cael ei pharatoi. Coeden Goffa, Bro Ffestiniog. A be fydd yn digwydd gyda'r goeden hon? Bydd na oleadau, bydd na bwlb yn cael ei roed arni hi, fel dull i gofio pobl sydd wedi marw yn y dre. Aelodau teulu, ffrindiau, ac wneud cyfraniad bach, unrhyw beth fedrwch chi fforddio. Pidiwch â phoeni am faint ydych chi'n gallu roed. Ond mi fydd yr arian sy'n cael ei hel yn mynd at Hosbis yn y Cartref ac yn benodol i gefnogi bobl sydd angen cefnogaeth Hosbis yn ardal Bro Ffestiniog. Nawr mae yna seremoni i ddathlu cychwyn y gwaith yma ar ddydd Sul y 4 ar 20. Bydd y coeden yn cael ei goleuo ar adeg hynny. Nawr, dwi wedi cyfrannu rhyw ychydig cof am rieni fy ngŵr, Bob Roberts a Nancy Roberts o Dangrisia. Ac yn falch iawn o wneud hynny, achos cheis i eriod y cyfle i gorfan nhw. A dwi'n siŵr bydd y coeden yma felly yn ddull i bobl blaenau cael cofio bobl sy'n agos iawn at eu clonau nhw a rhywbeth i ddathlu hynny i'r dyfodol. Delighted to have the opportunity to support the Bro Ffestiniog remembrance tree. Here's the tree behind me now in the process of being prepared. And the purpose of the tree is an opportunity to put lights on the tree to remember loved ones that we've lost, people with a connection with Bro Ffestiniog, friends and family. And the money that will be raised will be used to enable a hospice at home service, specifically for the Bro Ffestiniog area. And I'm taking the opportunity to remember my husband's parents, Bob Roberts and Nancy Roberts of Tanagrisha, who sadly I never met. So it's a real opportunity to have something that we can treasure here in the town. And although obviously you need to contribute a little something for the bulb, but it'll be just as much as you feel you can afford. The main thing is to have this tree covered with lights in memory of people that we've lost here. And there will be a ceremony to light the tree up on Sunday the 24th of November, and I think it'll be wonderful to see that here in the town as an opportunity for people to remember and to create a service in the town that we really need, hospice at home, so that people can be amongst their friends and in their communities in the last few days.